Today I'm going to be decorating my front porch for Christmas. I bought some Christmas decor at Lowe's for the Black Friday deal. We're going to see how this goes. I'm going to take you guys along today. Hi, I'm Vicki Marie. Welcome to my channel. It is Vlogmas Day 10. So I bought this at a Black Friday deal, and I actually bought it like 3 days before Black Friday. They had them out at Lowe's, and I was able to pick it up, and I asked them, is it going to go lower on the Friday? And they said no. And so I said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and buy it. So I paid $59, and it was a 4-piece pre-lit garland, wreath, and tree set. And I've been just so anxious to put it up, but we had high wind warnings here for a little while, and they told us not to put a bunch of stuff out. And so that's all gone now, and I'm so excited to finally get to put this out. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. I don't really have a lot of room by my front door, so it probably won't look like this, but let's see what I can do. And I had a whole vision for what this was going to look like, and it just did not turn out at all the way it had in my head. So I ended up first trying to put this strand of garland around my door, which I've done before, and John's got some lights already hung, so you could see some cords there, and I was thinking I would camouflage the cords, but I decided this garland was just too thick and too big to put here. So in the end, I placed the garland in my window box, so now I'll have some lighted garland in the window box, and I put this thinner garland around the door, and it doesn't light up, but it's okay. And then you can see the tree there I put right there by the door. Well, the other tree is on the other side of the window box, and you'll see that in just a little bit. When the sun goes down, I'm going to come back out, turn the lights on, and show you what it looks like. Looks a lot better with the lights on. I'm going to add some red pillows and a few things like that, but I'm getting there. Honestly, I thought these were all battery operated. There was one I was looking at that was battery operated. These all have to be plugged in. So I'm going to use the wreath somewhere else. I haven't figured out where, but somewhere else, and I'll put a different wreath on my door that doesn't have to be plugged in. And I'll just add some, I'll probably maybe add some twinkle lights or something if I want lights on it. So that's the plan. Well, yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys. I'm going to have to wait till it gets dark, and then we'll plug those in, and I'll show you what they look like. There's the trees there, and the lighted garland, and the little, John put the wreath there. So I think it looks good. I'm going to leave it for now, and you can see all the lights. So I put a garland around the door, but nothing lit up there yet. Just, it's kind of dark, but I made sure our lights were off so you could see. But I'll put some red pillows on the little chairs, and probably, and I haven't added a wreath yet. I need a wreath on the door, but really like that four set there of garland, wreath, and the 2 trees for $59. Well, that's going to be the vlog, and I'm here in front of the fireplace. John's back there resting. He had a big lunch at work, and we had soup for dinner. So nothing fancy. We're going to chill out. I bought the Toy Story movie, and we might watch that tonight, huh, John?
Yeah.
Yeah, we never owned it, the Toy Story, and that's one of John's favorites, right?
Yeah, it's one of them.
Yeah, it used to be. I mean, you always used to like that.
Yeah, Willy Wonka was my favorite.
I know, Willy Wonka's the original Willy Wonka that's his favorite Christmas movie, and we already watched that. So, anyway, that's going to be the vlog. So, I hope you guys are doing well. Take good care, and I'll see you tomorrow.